many times have you been on a boat?
0.
Rob's got his boat going. He's been working on it months now. And me and Ashleigh are gonna go test drive it with him. Guess test ride it's a more better answer. I've never launched a boat. Well, I've been with people who have launched boats, but I never really did much.
But you backed a trailer, right?
I could back a trailer.
Okay, this is pretty much the same thing. You're just about backing a trailer up. It's got a boat on it, but we're gonna get right down to the shore and check everything first.
What guarantee can I get from you that this boat will not sink?
99.9%.
But we do not know if it's buoyant, for sure.
Oh yeah. No, I've been in it when I test drove it.
How many years ago was that?
3.
3? Okay.
And unless I had squirrels or something, 2 holes through it.
Right. Or unless you had someone help you break off the drain.
Oh yeah.
I may have accidentally broke the drain. Stay right there on that ramp and videotape this train wreck.
There's a fishy over there. Fishy. Oh, now it's gone.
I'm trying to get... Been on there so long. They're crusty. There we go. Put the plug in. Take this thing off. The stabilizer. Did you get it? Take the stabilizer off. Raise it up. Yeah. That's what happens. Okay, here's a safety to keep it from dropping all the way until you get in the water.
We just pulled this back here.
Peace. I'm hungry.
Okay, go ahead and back us up. Straps, huh? Keep on coming. Keep on coming. You want to put the trailer wheels definitely in. Okay, straighten her out. Keep on coming. You're looking for it to start kind of floating. Keep on coming. Rear tires of the truck just in the water. Keep on coming.
This is really
Keep on coming.
cool.
Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Okay, hold it.
There's a fishy. Rob, look, there's a fishy.
Hold on, I'm trying to start it. Hey, shut it off for a minute, Gilbert. Go ahead and put it in park and put the emergency brake on. We gotta figure out what's going on. I don't know if I flooded it or what. Well, I popped the top and I got fuel smelling everywhere. So let's give it a minute.
So we know we're deep enough. Are you getting fuel?
Yeah, I checked up there. That's where the smell's coming from.
Okay. Is that a choke?
No. Oh, you know what? That might be a choke. Here's the onboard choke. Push it back in. Push it back in. Push it.
I can't reach it.
Oh, wow.
Hey, that thing sounds like it's banging on something. We need to back up some more.
Okay. Go ahead and back it up some more. Or do you want me to?
I can. It felt banging, dude.
That's all right. He said that. Or was it just idling?
Might have been idling rough. We'll come in a little more.
Yeah, let's come in a little bit. Keep coming. Good.
It's smoking again. Whoa. 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 Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh. Whoa.
Bye, Ashley. We'll see you later. I'm going to let you go.
What? Don't let me go. Let me go. Don't let me go.
Something happens to me or your old man.
Don't let me go.
This is the kind of day I was hoping to try this on.
Whoa.
Nice, quiet. See, that's why, you know, the center seat will be your dad's. So whichever way you want to go, you take the nose and point it the way you want to go. So go out here and do some circles, figure eights. Because we're waiting for your dad to get down to the ramp. Miss Ashley, smile for the camera, doing 100 miles an hour. All right.
100 miles an hour? Wait, what? Wait, no, that's pointed to you.
Thanks for bringing that up. Miss Ashley, doing 100 miles an hour in circles. Okay, I'll take over. You gotta remember, these boats don't have brakes.
Oh, what?
So take your time coming into a dock. You got your life jacket?
Yeah, I got my life jacket, but not in here.
Where is it?
In your car.
She needs to go get it out of the truck.
So far, our boating experience has become a will it run, but it got started, so we're good to go.
You always want to make sure peeing water out the back like that. That way your pump is getting water to keep it cool. Never start an outboard out of water or an inboard outboard out of water.
No boats started out of the water.
Pretty much. Except 454 blown alcohol with the driveline disconnected. Jet boat.
Sure.
There's no speed demon, but it'll work.
Hey, it's not bad.
This way. We'll just kind of back here.
Man, it is like glass out here though. There's no wake. That's the good thing about coming on a weekday. There ain't nobody out here.
Okay, you ready to drive?
I'll just let her ride. That doesn't bother me none.
You ready to drive?
Oh, to drive?
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll drive first a little bit, and then we'll kick her out.
What?
Throw her in the water. Okay. Remember what I told you. You always try to point the nose to where you want to go. Okay. Just go right about there. Correct.
Don't turn sharp. Little turn. Don't try to run over the wildlife either.
Yeah, always stay away from the buoys because that means there's a big rock right there.
Buoys are the big things that are floating in the water. That looks like a crane. Or something. I'm not a very good bird person. Straighten out.
Crank it, crank it, crank it, crank it, crank it. Do some figure eight. Okay, now back out of the throttle. That way you can see.
Not too far.
See how it keeps going forward and stuff?
That
Okay,
wave
then-
almost came up the back of the boat.
Yeah. You don't back out real fast, but that's neutral. You just hear how that click. Okay, so try it yourself. That way you know.
What does neutral mean?
It means the prop's not turning. Okay, and then there is reverse, but we got to be real careful with reverse on this one
Well, we're just not going to go in reverse.
until we're near shore.
So
Okay,
what's the
so-
prop?
The prop is what spins to turn the water so we can drive the boat.
Okay, see this handle? No, curve around, do it. Okay, that's what disengages it. You got to squeeze it hard and then push forward.
Not hard, don't push fast forward though.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Push,
Okay, squeeze it hard here and then take the heel and push it. Now you're in gear. Now you're engaged.
What is engaged?
It
that means you're ready to start moving.
the prop is turning in the back. Okay, so go ahead and give it more throttle before you start.
Okay, I like it.
Then you want to go faster, push it a little further down. There you go.
Not too sharp, remember what I told you. Dad feels like he can capsize his boat very easily.
That's why I reinforced it. I put a metal plate and everything right there where you're at.
Yeah, well, like I said,
Just because you guys are big.
yeah.
Okay,
Where are we going?
you want to take it all the way back into neutral?
Put it in neutral if you're going to stop.
Yeah.
That's neutral.
See how it locks in there?
Yeah.
Okay, and then try to push it.
Back?
Try to push it
No.
forward.
Forward.
See how it won't go? What are you forgetting to do?
A little more straight than that. There you go.
Now, what you do is you pick a spot on the other side and try to line something up. That way you know you're going straight.
Keep squinting.
Just put a scope up for.
Put a Mercedes badge on the front, and then she'll aim it at just sit right back into here. A tale of a fabulous trip. A 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour. Not too slow, don't do. You're lucky I'm on the front of this thing. That wave would have came inside the boat. Now neutral all the way.
All the way neutral. Okay, all the way neutral. I want you to feel it.
Never just take it off the throttle. You gotta
Okay,
slow.
then jiggle it like that.
slow. With Gilligan, the skipper too.
Well, hopefully.
I don't like how this is flat.
That life jacket will keep you from getting in any trouble.
I still don't feel
Okay, now turn around, see your handles. Lay on your belly. Okay. Can you roll over and lay on your belly?
Oh, lay on my belly?
Yeah.
I misunderstood back and belly. I don't like this.
The two front ones are gonna be Probably
You're
your.
gonna go slow, right?
Yes, we're gonna go real slow.
Okay, so Ashleigh, if for any chance you do happen to fall off the tube, which you probably won't, just stay where you're at, relax, and we will turn the boat around and come get you.
We'll come back to you, okay? Don't try to come to us.
Don't move, just stay where you're at, we will come to you. All right, gun it! Gun it! Faster!
Okay.
Nose dive.
Are you okay? Go ahead and swim to it. Go up near the handles. There you go. Go all the way right. Turn the tube around towards you, Ashleigh. Go ahead and pull the rope. And then we'll get her back on top of it. Okay, you know how, have they been teaching you how to egg beater kick?
No.
Okay.
Yes, that kick I was teaching you.
Oh yeah, that's it.
He just calls it something different
Yeah,
than I do.
it's called the egg beater. I call it the egg beater, but that's how you get back up on tubes. Okay, hold on. You want to go still to the right?
Let me stand on this side and it'll give you more height on that side.
Okay, get ready.
Lean back! Get on
Lean
the
back! Stretch your arms out, way out. Okay. why you need to do a steep hole.
Yeah, I get you.
Wonder how long her arms are.
Yeah, you gotta lean on the back of that thing. Kind of like the boat. You see how the front points up higher? You gotta do the same thing with that. The front's gotta point up higher.
That way you don't nosedive.
Yeah, that way you don't drown yourself.
Okay, go ahead and get on your feet. I got the ladder down. Be much safer just jumping off the tube. Coming over by the ladder. Hang on there.
We're gonna get the tube up real quick. That's a nice tube though. That was a win on the tube.
Dad, you wanna go on it?
We don't have enough time. We gotta go get your mom. Honestly, I was gonna. I kind of feel better out there than I would on the boat. I feel like I sink this boat too much. Well, at least you got a good wake and there's no wake zone. I mean, I guess we're kind of close. So,
Pastor, do donuts and all that good stuff.
Donuts. What are donuts?
where we spin in a circle real fast.
Oh. No.
Well, I mean, that could be next year.
That could be tomorrow.
Okay, you confident?
Ready? Say when.
Okay. Win. Here's the test. See how much water comes out.
We're gonna leave. Don't.
Oh man.
No, we gotta go right now because your mom's already supposed to be at work.
Okay, Gilbert, you want to line this up right in here?
Okay. Okay. You're good.
Nope. Right here.
Oh, up there?
That one holds it tighter.
Okay, go.
Down?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just seen it had rubbed there before too.
Yeah. No, but this one here holds it tighter for
Transport.
they dragging it all the way around town. Okay, now we need the back down.
I'll let him snug that up. This pin looks like it's supposed to go here.
Yeah.
There we go. Come on. There we go. All right, so that was our boating trip with Ashleigh. First time on a tube, first time on a boat. What'd you think?